Hello and welcome to Brown Being. My name is Shelly and I recently received my latest box from Smitten, which I'm opening here. This is my third Smitten box probably, in which I've ordered trial products, and that too with a special free gift. I think by now everybody knows how the Smitten trial section works, but if you're unaware of the Smitten concept, then you can find the link of my other video in which I've explained how this trial concept of Smitten works. But in this video, I'm straight away going to open this box, and here we go. This time all I could get was these two products, because both of these products are worth 3 trial points each. These are from the brand Just Herbs. Before I talk about the products, let me tell you how I adore this brand for all of its products being 100% Ayurvedic. They are not tested on animals, they are free from synthetic harmful ingredients. Both of these are sample products, but I believe they will go a long way. So here is the first Just Herbs product, which is green tea and cucumber under eye gel. It has green tea extract, cucumber extract, sweet almond oil, carrot seed oil, mint extract, aloe juice, and all good and natural active ingredients. The product quantity is 15 grams. You just have to take some of it and apply it to your under eye area and massage in a circular motion to reduce puffiness and to lighten the dark circles. It's a creamy gel and it has a bitter smell, but I like the consistency. It looks really lightweight. Well, I'm liking the fact that it readily absorbs into my skin and it is not heavy at all. Next is this skin tint from the same brand. It's basically an Ayurvedic BB cream. They make these in 5 shades starting from 0. Porcelain, ivory, natural, beige and sand. This is shade number 3, which is beige. Talking about the ingredients, it has Indian kudzu, javitri, ushira, manjishtha, madhuka, nagkesar, Indian lotus, china clay and titanium dioxide. Well, I researched about titanium dioxide and it is present in most of the sunscreen products and it's safe for our skin. It basically works like a sunscreen for us. So yeah, and it blends easily without the cakiness of foundation. It blurs away the imperfections of the skin. It can be used daily because it's really light and it's safe. It doesn't clog the pores. It is indeed lightweight, it blends perfectly on my skin, and the product quantity is 15 grams. I love both of these products, especially because they come from a brand which I really trust. Although both of these are 15 gram samples, but I believe they will last for 3 or 4 weeks definitely, and I'm really happy with my purchase. And now it is turn for my favorite, which is this utility pouch, which is a leather pouch, and I got this free because there was an offer, and it's really nice. It's soft and it's cute. The zip is really smooth as well. I can easily carry 5 to 6 travel size products in this, and I love it. It will be very useful, plus I love the color. And it's worth Rs 499, but I didn't have to pay for it. Alright, if you are also a Smitten fan just like me, and if you want to keep discovering new products every day, then please find the link of the Smitten app in the description box and buy 6 products for just Rs 199 and stay smitten.